Hello, this video to show you how you can create unit of measure categories and its unit of measure, because of most of time that we need to sell and purchase our product in different units of measure. In examples, you can buy products in box and sell it in units. So we will know how we can do it from inventory app. We configuration menu, there is unit of measure categories and unit of measure. Unit of measure category we need to create first. It is the umbrella that all many unit of measure under it. So we will define unit of measure category. Maybe we need to define unit of measure name piece of measure category. Okay, then under this unit of measure category, we'll define many unit of measure. So we'll go again to configuration menu and unit of measure. Then we'll create the unit of measure that we need. First one is piece. Piece is related to piece category and it is the reference unit. That means it is the base unit of measure in this category. Save. Then we'll create another box 6. That means unit of measure name box 6. It is related to base category and it is bigger than the base. That will show here bigger ratio that you need to enter how many pieces in this box. Okay, piece 6 is contain 6 pieces. We can define another box 12 related to base category. It is also bigger than and it is 12 pieces. Create another one box 24. It's related also for this category and it's bigger. It's contained from 24 pieces. And also we can define unit of measure. It is smaller than the unit of measure, our reference unit of measure. Example, we can define half piece category piece. It is smaller than it contain. The ratio is 2. That means each piece has 2 halves. Save. After that, now we define the unit of measure and unit of measure categories. We need to link the unit of measures or multiple unit of measure to one product. So we'll define a product. From products, create product name water 500 millimeter. Here we have two places to define unit of measure. One is unit of measure and other purchase unit of measure. That means we'll define two defaults unit of measure, for one for selling and our stock unit of measure, and the second is for purchasing. Now we'll select the default one, piece. Piece, you can see here pieces by default comes here, but here we need to set box. We by default we buy this product by box 24. Save. We'll create a purchase order to show you. Create a PO. Select the vendor and then select the product. Water 500 millimeter. Can you see here unit of measure selected by default? What is it? Box 25, because we set it as default. We can change it from the BO. We can change it to and select any unit of measure that is related to same category. We'll buy example 10 boxes and save. set analytic account, save, confirm order. Now we'll receive. We will see that quant unit of measure for our stock is base because we set as default one. Now 10 boxes equal to 150 bases. Validate, apply. We'll look to our product stock. How many pieces? We have 240 pieces. And like following this way, you can define any unit of measure and any unit of measure categories and link to it to needed product and do what you prefer by selling and purchasing. Thank you.